Hi guys, a very good evening to all of you. So today I am here to tell you about few job vacancies which are released by certain companies. I am going to talk about four job openings. I'll walk you through about the various eligibility criteria, the salary, the package, how to apply, and what are your roles. So let's begin with Lenovo. Lenovo is the first company that we are going to talk about. The job position is web developer intern, and the job location is Bangalore. It's for freshers, and the qualification they want is BE Tech, and eligible branch is computers and ISC only. It is available. I mean, the people who can register for it should be from the branch CSE and ISC. So you need to note this. Batch is 2020 and 2021. So those who are graduating in 2021 can apply, and those who have already graduated in 2020 can only apply. No others. 2019, 2018 cannot apply. So let's see how you can apply to it. You can go to apply here, and then you can go to apply now. It is telling you to upload your resume or upload your resume data from LinkedIn, Dropbox, or Google Doc. So if you want to do it like this, you can, or else you can go to fill out the application form directly, and you can fill the basic information details. That is the first name, last name, email address, phone number, then your country, then your postal code. Then you can also upload it from here. Your resume you can upload here, and then if you continue, it will take you to academic information. Then you have to provide your academic information in maybe the company you have worked with previously and your job role there, and then you can apply. And this is how you can apply, and you can continue, and that's how you will register for this post. And the next company we are going to talk about, oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you one more thing, is what will be your job responsibilities, what will they look in you. So, what will they look in you is basic knowledge of web developer skills. Then, computer science students are preferred, as I told you. Then, good communication skills. This is what they want. And your responsibilities. What do they want? They are actually looking for an on-site for the trainee for the position of web developer. And रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज इंक्लूड 1 year ऑन साइट ट्रेनिंग, आपको 1 साल की ऑन साइट ट्रेनिंग दी जाएगी for the position of web developer intern. And then you have to closely work with the team. And then third is you will be trained in the platforms and core web technologies. So this is what will be done after you get selected. So the next company we are going to talk about is Zeta. It is for the post of internship only. And let's talk more about your location is Bangalore, and it's for freshers. That is 2020 and 2021 batch can apply. Again, the eligibility branch is CSE, ISE, and IT. So these three branches can apply. Now, the qualifications they're talking about is BE, BCA, or BSc, IT, or similar courses. Now, let's see what's more about it. I went to apply here. So, what is the job like? What will you do? What is in the role? Working closely with the network team for the coordination to implement VPN, working with IT help desk team, you have to monitor the tool usage, you have to provide the reports and status of the various initiatives. This is what will be your role. And why you should apply, the who should apply to this role? Those who are interested in computers, they are passionate about computers, they have their educational background in BCA, BSc, IT, as I told before also, they can apply. And they are available to intern for 3 months. It will be a remote internship, They should have a good knowledge of Microsoft Office, that is Excel or Word, or Google Docs preferred. These people are like, they'll be preferred. And then excellent communication skills, okay. Who is interested in the project management, technology implementation, or stakeholder management can apply for this job. If you want to apply for this job, go to apply for this job, and it will take you to this page. It is project management intern. This is your role. It is a support background. And if somebody is already in this support thing, and if you want to continue but want to change your company, those can apply. And if you are into development and want to go into the support, they can also apply. If you want to, if you are looking for any work in support role and you want to change your company, then you can also. So as it is for 2020 also. So LinkedIn profile, apply with LinkedIn. If you are already registered with LinkedIn, you have an account, you can directly upload from there. Or you can attach your, sorry, you have to provide your LinkedIn profile here, and then your resume or CV, and then your full name, email, phone, or and current company. If you're working, if you're not working, you can write you're not working. Then the links that you have to provide, it's optional. There's no star in it, no, it's optional. If you want to fill these details, you can fill. If you do not, then it's not necessary also. See, the stars that are provided, you can fill those details that are necessary to fill. Now additional information is, add a cover letter or anything else you want to share. If you want to share a cover letter or something, here also it is, there is no star. But if you want to provide for their information, you can provide. And then you can check this box, I'm not a robot. Once it is done, then you can submit the application, and your application will be submitted for Zeta. It is for project management intern in Bangalore. Okay. So the next company we are going to talk about is Wells Fargo. It's also the internship program. It is in Hyderabad, and the job location, as I told, is Hyderabad. Experience is 0 to 1 year. That means I guess 2020 and 2021 batch can apply. And if you have more experience, I guess you can also apply. Qualification is BE Tech. Eligible branch is CSC, and the batch is 2019 and 2020. Yeah. So if you have more experience also, more than one, you can also apply. As they mentioned, 2019, more than 1 year. So what are the skills they want in you and they want to see you in, and how they'll select you is, I'll tell you. Go to apply here, so that you get a detailed, not clumsy information, so that you can see it clearly. Is below are the skills being looked into the candidate. First is communication skills, problem solving, oops concepts like Java. They should have a coding experience there, preferably वो लोग उनको लेंगे, क्योंकि अगर आपका पुरानी कंपनी में you have a hands on practice on Java, तो I guess आपके लिए काफी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है. Then good knowledge about some database, Oracle, SQL Server, etc., and hands-on experience in SQL queries. Then you have to be proactive and enthusiastic. Work ethics, it should be good. Then good team management. This is what they are looking in you. And did I tell you it's for the role of software developer? And then education में undergraduate is BE BTech in computers they want in you, and post graduation is not required, right? And the next thing is it is posted 1 day ago only, so if you want to apply. And how you can register to it is, register to apply, and then it will take you to a Naukri page. If you already an account with Naukri, then you can go to I am a fresher, and then you can fill the personal details and educational details here and register now with Naukri. If you are not registered, in case you are registered, then you can go to login here, right? And then once you log in with your Naukri ID and password, it will take you this to this job post, and then you can apply directly from there, right? And if you are a professional, the same process goes to you, except for the case that you have to fill in additional details of your company that you're working in right now with the post that you are in, right? And if you want to directly apply, you can log in to apply. Then you can sign in with Google or Facebook, and then it will take you to a page where you can directly apply to this post. So coming to the next thing is the next company, which is Wolters Kluwer. It is for the post of data scientists, and the location is Pune. So the next thing they have mentioned is experience is freshers, qualification is bachelor's degree or postgraduate degree. Eligible branches stats, operation research, economics, mathematics, computer science, engineering technology, or related field. Batch is 2020 and 2021 can apply. So let's see what are the next things they have mentioned. The net is a bit slow. Yeah. So there are so many things they have mentioned in essential duties and responsibilities. Please go through this. If you're really interested in data scientist post, we are looking for freshers data scientist, which is a part of governance, risk, and compliance business for Wolters Kluwer. This is what is their description. What are they? What are your qualifications? I mentioned that. What are the tools and softwares? Uh, I think courses are demonstrated interest in the machine learning, artificial intelligence, or advanced analytical space with strong foundation in stats methodologies. Second is familiarity of data manipulation and analysis languages, example Python, SQL, Spark, etc. And you should also be well versed with Tableau and Power BI, etc. Familiarity with Microsoft Office, that is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Then knowledge of natural language processing or text mining concepts is strongly desirable. That's what they're strongly looking for. Then essential skills and traits they'll see for this post is strong analytical and problem solving skills, highly motivated, proactive, taking ownership, then excellent written and verbal communication, then likes learning and building competencies in new coding tools and statistical techniques, enjoys working in a fun innovative environment. This is all they are looking for. Like, I guess everybody has this. If they are actually looking for a job, they want to actually work for a company, these are like prerequisites you should have. So yeah, this was all about this post. If you are really looking for this post, please go through all these requirements they want in you to select you. So I this was all about the four companies that I talked about. And yeah, if you want to apply, you can directly go to apply here, and then you can go to create an account. Since you would not be having an account with it, if you have, then you can directly put your ID password, and then it will take you to a page where you can directly apply. And you have to just fill your, as mentioned, your basic details, and then your academic or your education details, your company that you are working in right now, the job role, and all your salary package. If you are working, if you are already experienced worker, so then you have to put all these things, and then it will be over. You will be, that's how you can register. So if you feel that you need to apply for any of these four posts that are released by these companies that I spoke about, do apply for them. These are really nice companies. So thank you very much. I hope you clear like all the exams that you are actually working hard for. Thank you so much, and stay fit, stay healthy, and keep working hard. Bye.